For more than 25 years, the Women's Foundation for Greater Memphis has been an organization of women empowering women to break the cycle of poverty. Our mission is to encourage philanthropy and foster leadership among women and support programs that enable women and children to reach their full potential.
My life has made a drastic change. I'm not sure if I would have the job that I have or have the car that I have if I would have never gone through the Get in the Head class or volunteered for the Women's Foundation. It's so many people that they have connected me with to build myself, and it's like I see a different light of day. Like everything has changed. My children are happier, their grades are better.
Since 1995, we have invested more than $30 million to support more than 530 programs involving more than 115 local nonprofits, including investments in advocacy and research.
Our program consists of the BTW Lady Warriors athletes. These young ladies are the top in their class, on and off the court. So what we do is we expose our young ladies to careers, opportunities, colleges beyond the 38126 zip code. Our program extends beyond the classroom, beyond the court, to real life itself.
Since 2015, we have been driven by the Vision 2020 strategic plan to reduce poverty by 5% over 5 years in the heart of Memphis. The Women's Foundation has invested and leveraged more than $10 million supporting programs that provide services for more than 10,000 people living in the 38126 zip code.
The Women's Foundation has impacted my life by providing for the Lady Warriors to travel outside of 38126 to get an experience, to compete against different talent and bond with our teammates. I attend Rusk College. I am a rising sophomore, majoring in biology.
I currently attend the Tennessee State University. I'm a junior majoring in early childhood education. In 5 to 10 years from now, I see myself being a teacher in elementary school. I also see myself being an entrepreneur and owning my own business.
The foundation connects our partners to our 38126 families to resources and opportunities that empower both adults and children and bring families towards self-sufficiency and stability. Significant impact has been made working with community grantee partners to support our families. The COVID-19 pandemic has brought tremendous challenges to Memphis over the past year. The almost paralyzing effect has had multiple impacts on health, safety, and the security of our community.
So we've had a long-standing partnership with the Women's Foundation, and during the pandemic, I think that Women's Foundation has kind of been a coordinator, a platform for bringing together all these organizations in 38126, and so they reached out to us to just see how our organization was doing, if we were still serving families, were there things that we could partner with.
The Women's Foundation shifted to prioritize our support to meet the needs of our families and spurred the creation of the 38126 COVID-19 Response Project. The Women's Foundation partnered with other philanthropic groups to invest in emergency programs and support low-income women and families. With the help of our corporate sponsors and community partners, more than 160 volunteers helped 2,500 families in need through the distribution of more than 70,000 pounds of food, personal hygiene kits, face masks, diapers, hand sanitizers, gift cards, and community resource packets. Over the past 5 years, many of our families have made significant progress toward economic stability. We stand firm in our commitment to do this work and serve our families to make a lasting impact on their future.
I would encourage the young women to take all the opportunities they are given. There's so much more than 38126 or what you've seen. Don't be afraid to step out of the box. Don't be afraid to be different. Don't be afraid to be bold. Young women, we can change the world, and the pandemic cannot stop us.